I'm going to show you guys how to repair the body or stop a crack on your RC car body. This isn't a new thing. Been doing this for like, I don't even know, 15, 20 years. I'm sure there's tons of videos on it, but figured I would show you what I do. So here's the crack in the body. It's this section right here that's opened up. And pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to make little stitches out of zip ties. And how we're going to do it is we're going to drill a hole on either side of our crack, very close to the edge, and then stick a zip tie through it. It doesn't matter too much what side you drill from, but the important part is that you grab a drill bit that is the same size as the zip tie that you're going to use. You want to use the smallest drill bit possible to barely get your zip tie through. You don't want to make holes that are too big. So first thing we're going to do is just drill right next to the crack here. You can use a Dremel if you want to. Some people prefer that because of the speed. All right, there we go. So the first hole on the right, that one was a little bit too far away from the crack, but no big deal. This is the important part. You want to put the zip tie in from the side that you're not going to see. So we're going to stick it in from underneath here, just like that, and then bring it on down through that second hole. Okay, once you get both of those through, start your zip tie. Okay, so once you have your zip tie in and your loop started, you're going to push it down all the way like that, so the loop is sticking out on the visible side. Just hold that end of the zip tie and pull it out like that. If you want to get it extra tight, you can use some needle nose pliers. Grab this piece and kind of pull it out like that. But yep, that's it. We'll snip off the end, and that's what the stitch is going to look like. So you can do as many as you want or as many as you need to. What's important is getting in front of the cracks and stopping those cracks. So I'll do one over here now, and then I'll work my way into the middle and just fill the gaps in with these stitches. What, son? Okay, I'm doing a video. You're gonna have to wait. All right, so there it is. That's pretty much how it's going to end up. And you can do it as pretty or as quick and fast as you want. You can do all kinds of patterns and things like that, like all the new boys do. But anyway, that's pretty much the point of all of this, to get our zip stitches in there, and you want to get in front of the cracks so it keeps it from getting any worse. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Thanks for watching.